Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Sprouts Poha. Sprouts Poha is a delicious recipe that can be eaten in breakfast, lunch, and as a snack. It is very healthy and the main ingredients is sprouts. Sprouts are rich in a number of different nutritions. While the specific number of nutritions vary on the type of sprout, they generally contain high levels of folate, magnesium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. So these are the ingredients that we are going to be using today. As you can see in the name, we are going to be using poha. So we have soaked this poha and washed it. We've soaked it for around 5 to 10 minutes. So now we're going to take a pan and we're going to add in around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're using olive oil, but you can use any other cooking oil of your choice. Then once it's nicely heated, we're going to add in our peanuts. Peanuts are also a really good source of protein and they add in a nice little crunch as well. So we're just going to saute it until it turns a little golden brown. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. So now we're going to add in all of our dry seeds, our green chili paste, curry leaves, sesame seeds, cumin seeds, and mustard seeds. We're just going to mix it well. Then we're going to add in our onions. We're going to saute it well. Then we're just going to turn the heat a little low so we can mix it really nicely. So this is going to make a nice portion. We're making it for 4 people. So now we're going to add in half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, also known as hing. We'll just mix it in. We're going to keep stirring it because we've added in a little less oil, so we don't want it to stick to the pan. Then we're going to add in our main ingredient, which is sprouts. Sprouts are really healthy and they also contain a really big amount of protein, so they're really good to eat. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes and mix it in again. So at this point we're going to add in some vegetables. We have got corn, carrots, peas and green beans. We're going to mix it well, and as you can see, this has added in a nice splash of colour. Then we're going to add in our salt to taste. So we're just going to add in a little bit of water. This is going to make sure that everything gets cooked and nothing sticks to the pan. Now we're going to cover it and cook it for a couple of minutes. So it's been around 2 to 3 minutes and we're just going to check on it. As you can see, it looks really nice and it's nicely cooked as well. So we're going to add in our turmeric, and we've added in a bit of brown sugar. Then we're going to mix it well. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. So now we're going to add in our poha. We've drained this poha. We're going to drizzle in some lemon and mix it well. So as you can see, it's nicely cooked now, and it smells really delicious. Now it's time for plating! If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!